There are so many benefits to being bilingual and to learning Irish that last long beyond our school years. I teach Irish to adults in the evening time, and I have had a number of students over the years who came back because they had an exemption at school. The reasons that they come back are varied. Some people want to become primary school teachers or work in the media or other sectors that use Irish. Some of them have kids now in Gaeloideachas and they want to be able to speak to their child in Irish or to do homework with them. And there's other people that just come back because they want to learn their national language and they want to be able to take part in the culture associated with it. It's wonderful that people come back to Irish as adults, but the ideal time to learn is as a child. There are so many cognitive benefits to becoming bilingual at a young age. This includes improving our metalinguistic knowledge and making it easier to learn an additional language. It also protects our cognitive function as we age and in the case where someone has Alzheimer's. These are just the benefits that are easy to quantify and measure, but one of the most prominent researchers in this field, Professor Gaeloideachas, has said that languages should be central to the curriculum, but not because of the reasons I've mentioned, but because it helps us understand other people, other cultures and other ways of thinking.